Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a little different than what I usually do. It's a fan video. This is one of our ceiling fans. It's a 5-blade and it's in our kitchen. Don't know what kind it is, but I don't know why I decided to do this video. Because I figured I'm selling out. Alright, let's do this. So this is low. It gets a while to start up. So on high, it actually starts going, that little thing right there in the middle, it starts kind of dancing all over the place. And it kind of hums, so, but whatever, I'll just do it. Alright, so this is medium. No, medium, low. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I totally meant to say. Yeah, I meant to say that, okay? And this is medium. Alright, and yeah, high is coming up in a few. Alright, I'm actually going to be safe with high because I don't like high. My favorite speed is medium. I don't know why I highlighted that, but okay. Here's high. I'm going to turn this on. Alright, there we go. Now I'm going to turn it back down to medium because, it's a hot day. Kind of. Well, guess we'll see you in the next video. Fan video, most likely. Goodbye.